This is a beginner level project. It is great for kids with a little bit of adult supervision or someone who just wants to learn some basic stitches, and so a fun, cute project. So here are the supplies you need: felt, pattern, sewing floss, stuff to trace and cut with. Start by tracing your pattern out on the felt. Make sure you flip it and trace both sides. When you're cutting it out, do your best to cut off any of your tracing lines. And then, because this is a super simple project, we are going to start by doing just a knot stitch to attach this tail that we have just as a single piece of felt. Then you're going to get that second piece of felt, put it on top, and we are going to do a blanket stitch around this whole stingray, stopping maybe an inch from the end so that we have space to stuff it. And then before we stuff it, we're going to do a quick running stitch up and down the sides of it so that those flaps stay flappy. Here it is before we stuff it. Now we're going to stuff that middle part and sew the bottom closed, continuing with that blanket stitch. Or if you want to keep it a finger puppet, don't worry about stuffing or sewing it, and you can just keep that perfectly for your finger. And here we are with this finished felt stingray puppet. If you like this, you're interested in the free pattern or much slower, more detailed instructions, I have them on my website, slyspoon.com, or on my YouTube channel, Sly So Simple.